Okay, hello everyone. I'm back here, Hendrik Prasetyo, and this going to be a real-time scripting because this script going to be long, and so I'll do this with real-time scripting. But remember, I still learning English, so maybe my spot is a bit weird. Okay, so let's start our scripting. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a variable to store our data and to store our instance. The first variable going to be string and going to be public variable, so I write public string, and this is going to be our bundle URL with an address of our file on the web or on our local hard drives. Let's name it bundle URL, and the second variable is going to be our instance of raw image. This is going to be a UI element. So before I am making this variable, I'm gonna add a namespace, a library name Unity engine.ui, because I am going to use that instance, raw image, and some others UI stuff. So public raw image question image, okay, just name it. And the second variable, third variable, is going to be raw image, but this time going to be an array, raw image, and with that a keyword, and let's name it answer image. And then I'm gonna make another variable, but this time going to be a private variable or private field. This is going to be AssetBundle in type, and I'm gonna name it AssetBundle. This line, this field is going to be our AssetBundle instance. This is going to be filled with an AssetBundle instance. We're gonna store our AssetBundle to this variable. But remember, when you store some instance into a variable or into some field, that means you store it in a random access memory. You store it in your RAM. So be careful about storing an instance. But today I'm gonna use that because my AssetBundle instance not going to be large in size. Okay, and the second private variable going to be in it, and this is going to be our correct answer for the question. So I'm gonna name it correct answer. Yeah, and this is our variable field. And let's us jump into the method, which is going to be along our main goal of this scripting. Okay, the first method I'm going to write is going to be load question in name. And this is going to be public methods and public void. and name it load question, and we're gonna add some parameters. This time the parameters, the type of the parameters is going to be integer, and I'm gonna name it quest number. This gonna identify which quest is we going to be load. Okay, and the first step of this method, in this method, is we going to check is that asset bundle is filled with an instance. So I'm gonna write if not asset bundle, then if not, if the asset bundle is null, then I'm gonna fill it. I'm gonna load my asset bundle and fill the variable, but I'm gonna do that in another method, in a enumerator method. So let's make an enumerator, and this going to be load asset bundle, and we're gonna need some parameter just like before that's going to be in it, and name it quest number. The first step of this method is we're going to be creating a new www or www class that will load our asset bundle files from website or from web server or from your local hard drive. So let's make a new instance, www, name it www lowercase character equal to, we're creating a new instance, new, and the first parameter is going to be our bundle URL. And the second steps of this method is we're going to wait. We're gonna wait for www to finish download the bundle from the web or from the local hard drive. It could be done with yield return www, just like that. And the third steps of this methods is we're going to be fill our field called asset bundle here with some instance from the www class that we downloaded. So asset bundles is equal to, fill that with some object, www dot asset bundle. This line is collecting the asset bundle file from the www class. Okay. And the last step of this method is we're going to recall load question method. The parameter is going to be quest number again. Oops, sorry, this is a method, not if logic. Okay, and then if there's nothing in asset bundle, we load a new asset bundle. Because this is an enumerator, so we call it with, so we gonna call it with star coroutine. Load asset bundle, the parameter Okay. Then and then I forget one line here. After that, after we start our quarantine, we return. This means we're not gonna read we're not gonna read a code after return. That means if we write code here, here, and here, that's not going to read because we have return keyword here. So and here, if we have an asset bundle, so what I'm gonna do here is show my question. But to do that, I'm gonna need some enumerator again, because this going to be a background process, but it's a fake background process because Unity has a single thread. So I'm gonna make my enumerator called show quest, and we're gonna need the parameter again, same like before. It's going to be integer quest number. In this time, we are not gonna make a www class, but we're gonna load some asset from AssetBundle, and we're gonna use that to fill our raw image component. But why I'm do this in enumerator method? Because this time gonna use background processing, but fake background processing because Unity has a single thread. What the hell is this? Oh, come on. Alright. Oh, okay. I forget. Yeah, we're gonna create asset bundle request. This is a class that allow us to make an asset bundle request, which process on the background. Set texture is equal to, we're gonna call our asset bundle instance or asset bundle object. So asset bundle dot load asset async. This means we're gonna load asynchronously. The type is going to be texture 2D, and the name is going to be P plus what is that? Quest number. Yeah, quest number. P plus quest number is the name of our assets file in the asset bundle or in the project. Let's see what is P plus asset bundle. Yeah, here we go. Let's open our assets. in the question bundle folder, question 1 folder. Here we go. P plus 1, it's our assets name. P plus 1 or P plus P plus question number. And just like before, just like we load our question image P1, we gonna load our answer image with that same technique. J plus question number strip plus index. Okay, we're gonna make some loop to load these 4 parts. So after we create our set bundle request, we're gonna wait again, wait it to finish load the asset, yield return asset request, asset texture, and after it finishes, we're gonna fill our raw image component.texture with this object, this texture to the object. Okay, so I'm gonna access my question image.texture is equal to asset texture dot asset. The type is object, so we're gonna need some casting as texture 2D. Finish. And don't forget, we still need to load our answer image assets. Just like before, just like this line, just like this code, we're gonna need asset bundle request, we're gonna need a waiting, and we gonna fill our component, the texture, with the asset. But this time we're gonna make some loop, because the answer image is an array of raw image. I'm gonna use for loop because for it is a bit expensive. It consume a lot of bytes in our memory. For integer e equal to 0, e answer image dot length e plus plus. I just copy that because I'm really lazy to write a code. Just change the name, just change it to asset answer, and this time it's going to be J plus question number plus strip, or what is that character, I don't know the name because I'm Indonesian, plus index, yield return asset texture. Question image is going to be answer image because this is an array, so we gonna add some more stuff in here. Just write this, okay? Answer image index dot texture. The index belongs to this. The texture is equal to sets answer dot asset as texture 2D. So the wall answer image 4 in total is going to fill with this code. It's going to fill in this code. Oops. Okay. And oh yeah, don't forget we have a field that need to be filled. Its name is correct answer and the type is integer. Because we have a configuration assets in our folder, it's called con1, con2. Okay, I'll just show it. This is it. Con1 is the configuration assets. con1.txt is a text asset that we will load. So correct answer is equal to yeah, I forgot to make an AssetBundle request. AssetBundle request asset correct answer equal to AssetBundle. AssetBundle is belong to here. AssetBundle.load asset async. The type is not going to be texture 2D, but this time going to be text asset because the file is .txt. And then here going to be con plus question number. After that, just like before, we're gonna wait it to finish, return asset correct answer request bundle. It's our request, and after it finishes, we're gonna get the object. So correct answer is equal to asset correct answer dot asset. This property is object, the type is object, so we're gonna make some casting, and because correct answer is integer, so we're gonna parse the string into an integer. Dot asset as text asset init integer dot parse, and this is going to be dot text. The text is contents of the txt file, and yeah, this is it. This is the wall code, and we finish it. Oh yeah, I forgot. We're gonna need some stuff here, so just call the load asset enumerator. Show quest enumerator star correct time show quest. The parameter going to be quest number. This belong to this. Okay. Okay, we finish it. So let's configure our game. Oh, it's pretty bright here. I'm gonna change my color of this raw image darker, yeah, darker, and I'm gonna make this game object as a button. And here I'm gonna add my script, my component, and what is that? My game. Yeah, the bundle URL is going to be our bundle URL file on the web, on the local hard drive. To get the correct address, I have a way. Here we go. This is our folder. Just copy the address here and paste it in the browser, and right click on this file, packet1.mybundle, right click and copy that address, that URL. Paste it in here in bundle URL field, and the question image is going to be filled with our raw image component, which here just drag and drop, and the answer image size going to be 4, just drag and drop. Sorry about my speaking skill because I'm still learning. Finish. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna call the load question method. I'm gonna call it when I hit the button. Oops. So here on click my game dot load question. Okay. The parameter is going to be 0 because we're gonna load. The parameter is going to be 1 because we're gonna load question 1. Question number 1. Okay. So let's test it. We're gonna start our game, we're gonna play it, and we're gonna hit our button to check it if it works or not. Yeah, it works. The question is, manakah kotak berwarna merah? It means which is the red box. What about if we change our question number to 2? Hit the button. Manakah kotak berwarna oranye? Yes, it worked, guys. It means the question means which is the orange box. Okay. So that is our script, that is our game, that is how AssetBundle works, and how does it works for our game, for us to load this, how to load our AssetBundle, how to apply that to our component, how to show that in our game, and whatever. Please feel free to ask me anything about this video, or about my project, or about another tutorial. Okay, so that's it, and goodbye. I will see you in part 2. Bye bye.